Hello and happy Labor Day. This is Monica Traphagen with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City with a briefing about a rather strong and unseasonably cold Arctic storm system moving through the area tonight into tomorrow. This briefing was created on September 7th, 2020 and should not be used after September 8th. In this briefing, we'll be focusing on the impacts of the Arctic storm system tonight, which include strong downslope winds for parts of the Wasatch Front, Uinta Basin, and Castle Country. If you're in an impacted area and haven't already, please take action now to secure loose objects. Gusty winds for western Utah, as well as the canyons of Washington County. Near blizzard conditions for the Uinta Mountains and snow accumulations for other mountains of northern Utah, as well as southwest Wyoming. And finally, much cooler temperatures Tuesday afternoon, more typical of mid to late October, as well as freezing temperatures Wednesday morning down to the higher valleys of northern Utah. Now we'll take a look at each of these impacts in more detail. First, let's talk about downslope winds along the Wasatch Front. Wind gusts of 30 to 60 miles per hour will be common across areas of the northern and central Wasatch Front, especially those areas closer to the Wasatch Mountains. The strongest gusts will occur near Farmington and Centerville, where gusts in excess of 85 miles per hour are possible. The winds will be strongest tonight into Tuesday morning. After a lull Tuesday afternoon, winds will pick up again Tuesday night into Wednesday morning before diminishing. These winds will produce strong crosswinds along I-15 in Davis, Weber, and northern Salt Lake counties, as well as US 89 and the Legacy Parkway. These winds will also cause power outages and property damage. Outdoor objects like trampolines, decorations, and patio furniture will be the most vulnerable. Please take action to secure these loose objects. Given the dry conditions and early season nature of this system, trees will be more vulnerable than usual to damage, so use caution. The strong winds will not be confined to the Wasatch Front. Winds in excess of 60 miles per hour are anticipated in the northwest deserts of Utah, Uinta Basin, Castle Country, and the canyons of Washington County. Wind gusts in excess of 45 miles per hour will also occur in the west central and southwest Utah, as well as the San Rafael Swell. These winds will develop tonight and will persist through Tuesday night for most locations. However, strong winds are possible in Washington County through Wednesday morning. This will cause strong crosswinds along I-80 in western Utah, I-70 in eastern Utah, and US 6, among other locations. These winds will also cause power outages and property damage. The passage of the storm system will bring some snow to southwest Wyoming and higher terrain of northern Utah. The highest accumulations will be in the Uinta Mountains, where 5 to 10 inches of snow will be possible. Southwest Wyoming and the other mountains of northern Utah should see 2 to 6 inches of snow. This snow will combine with the strong winds to produce areas of blowing snow, and this could result in near blizzard conditions in the Uintas. Avoid traveling through this area if possible. And finally, temperatures behind the cold front will be a shock to most given the very warm temperatures of the past several days. High temperatures Tuesday afternoon will be around 30 degrees below normal for this time of year, more typical of mid to late October. The temperatures will cool rapidly overnight, resulting in many areas of frost. Some northern Utah valleys will also see freezing temperatures, including the Wasatch Back, western Uinta Basin, Cache Valley, and the Sanpete and Sevier valleys. If you're in one of the impacted valleys, be sure to protect sensitive vegetation. In summary, the arrival of a very strong and cold Arctic storm system tonight into tomorrow will bring a variety of impacts to Utah and southwest Wyoming. These include strong and gusty downslope winds for the Wasatch Front, Uinta Basin, and Castle Country, additional gusty winds for parts of western Utah and the canyons of Washington County, high elevation snow and blowing snow for northern Utah, with near blizzard conditions for the Uinta Mountains, and temperatures around 30 degrees below normal for Tuesday, with freezing temperatures for some northern Utah valleys Wednesday morning. If you are in an area that will be impacted by the strong gusty winds, please take action to secure loose objects. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Enjoy the rest of your day.